I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Chellesglamhome. Well guys, this is my living room at the moment, and I decided that I was missing a lot of glam. So I decided to give my living room a makeover and thought I'd take you along with me. I hope you enjoy. I started first of all by removing everything from my timber buffet. As much as I was loving the rustic look, I wanted to bring in my glam buffet instead. Now I have another living room in my home that I don't show much on YouTube, so all I'm going to do here is swap the buffets over. I'm also going to take down the arch mirrors. I then removed my rug and coffee table so I could make room to bring the buffet out. I then enlisted my hubby's help to help me move the buffet to the other room. I then gave the area a really good vacuum before bringing in the other buffet. I absolutely love this buffet, guys. It's one of my favourite pieces in my home. It's from Shine Mirrors here in Australia. What I'm doing here is I'm just going in with my invisible glass cleaner and giving it a very good clean down. Now to either side of my buffet, I'm going to add these gold bookshelves that I picked up from Fantastic Furniture.
of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
I then did my favourite part of decorating, styling them, and I shopped my own home and found all my glam pieces that I could put on the bookshelves.
Best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nights.
Then to the top of my buffet, I chose to put these beautiful ginger jars that I recently picked up from 1825 Interiors.
Sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were
On the floor, I chose to use my Kmart Australia gold hide rug. I then brought back my tufted ottoman that acts as my coffee table, and I added a pom-pom throw across the middle.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and
Now
every
on my throne chair, I decided to remove the throw blanket as well as the cushions, and I added this brand new throw that I picked up from Target recently. Guys, this is the most luxurious throw that I have ever came across. It is so soft, and I also picked up the matching cushions. I also added to the front this super cute leopard print cushion. I added the other cushion to my other wingback chair. I then started on the opposite corner of my living room and removed everything from there.
No one ever sees me. I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare out my window. I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through. I feel like a
I
shadow.
then brought in another of my mirrored dresses.
Am I insane? I just wanna know. Am I insane? I never know which way
I then added these beautiful glam lamps to each end.
I just wanna know. Am I insane? I sit in silence. Nobody can hear me. Not even when I'm
I also added these beautiful glam candlesticks to the centre.
save me. I never know which road I'm supposed to take. Every choice I make gives me headache. I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through. I feel like a shadow. I just wanna know. Am I insane? I just wanna know. Am I
Now to either side of my television, I decided to add these beautiful round mirrors that I've had for quite a few years. I thought this would tie in perfectly with the mirrored buffet. truly loving how my living room came. I love how it has a touch of rustic, but a lot of glam. I'm loving that I added some angel wings above my mirrored dresser.
Nobody can see me.
I also added some silver curtains that I had from another room and brought them out to my living room. And I love how they tie in so perfectly with my glam decor. Guys, with trying times upon us, we certainly have a lot more time on our hands. This particular day, I shared with my husband with rearranging all the furniture, and it really makes my heart happy. I love seeing a new lease of life in a room. Just by shopping my own home, I was able to bring this look together.
Creating perfect memories, yeah. We hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way.
Is there a particular room that you want to make over? Just by rearranging some furniture, guys, can bring on a whole new lease of life. I absolutely love changing my rooms around to give new vision.
Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red truck. No one thought I was gonna make it. No one believed I'd take the time for realizing my own dreams and taking care of you and me. Yeah. I knew we were always gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you, you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating a glam living room.
Those days we were invincible. Splitting up would be unthinkable. Though at times it made me cynical, I wouldn't change a single thing.
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chellesglamhome.
Hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the road
until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.